must visit San Pedro de los Milagros. A place to rest. San Pedro de los Milagros is a municipality located in the north of Antioquia. San Pedro de los Milagros is a small municipality. It has a population of 72,119 inhabitants. Its main economic activity is the dairy sector. What to do? In the municipality of San Pedro de los Milagros, the main activities that you can do are visit the Cathedral, Basílica Menor del Señor de los Milagros, tour of the Rio Grande Reservoir. Travel tip: you must wear a coat, a scarf, and gloves. The weather is very cool. You must not drink water directly from the tap. You must attend Mass. You must visit the Rio Grande Reservoir. Superstition: you visit the Cathedral, Basílica Menor del Señor de los Milagros, everything you ask for will come true. When to go? The best time to travel to San Pedro de los Milagros is during Holy Week. At this time, here are religious artist events that represent the faith of the Catholics. Where to stay? In San Pedro de los Milagros, there is a wide variety of hotels, but I recommend the El Faro Hotel. It has beautiful rooms and the cost per night is low. What to eat? As in the entire department of Antioquia, the typical dish is la bandeja paisa, but in addition to this dish, la arepa de chocolate with cheese is very traditional and municipal of San Pedro de los Milagros. What to drink? The most consumed drinks are hot drinks, dark chocolate, and panela water. Transportation. To get to San Pedro de los Milagros, it is easier by public transport, since its frequency is continuous and the trip only takes 1 hour from the city of Medellin. Currency. The currency used in San Pedro de los Milagros is the Colombian peso. Tipping. Only people who work in customer service activities expect a tip. We are waiting for you, San Pedro de los Milagros. Thank you very much.